Welcome to the Industrial Cathedral, where scrap metal is purified into investment-grade silver. The process begins with feedstock, a mix of industrial scrap, jewelry, and miners' door bars.
Prints. Every batch is drilled and sampled to determine exactly how much silver it contains.
X-ray fluorescence scanners give a quick reading of the purity before processing begins.
The scrap is loaded into a massive furnace to melt down and homogenize the metal.
At nearly 1,000 degrees Celsius, the scrap melts into a glowing liquid pool.
Impurities float to the top as slag, which must be carefully skimmed off. The molten metal is poured into molds to create anodes, thick plates of impure silver.
These rough plates are called anodes, and they are the fuel for the electrolytic cells.
The heart of the refinery is the tank house, where electrolysis performs the magic. In Mobius cells, the anodes are suspended in a special nitric acid bath.
Thin stainless steel or titanium plates act as the cathodes where the pure silver will collect.
A massive electrical current is passed through the tank, driving the chemical reaction.
Electricity forces the silver atoms to dissolve from the anode into the liquid. Pure silver migrates through the acid and crystallizes on the cathode in fern-like patterns.
Impurities like gold and platinum do not dissolve and fall to the bottom as sludge. Mechanical scrapers constantly knock the fresh silver crystals off the plates.
The harvested crystals look like gray, wet sand, but they are pure silver.
The crystals are washed thoroughly to remove every trace of the nitric acid.
Once dried, the crystals transform into sparkling white silver sand.
The lab confirms the crystals are now 99.99% pure.
The black slime left behind is actually valuable, containing gold and platinum.
The pure crystals are loaded into a dedicated furnace for the final melt. As pure silver melts at 961 degrees Celsius, creating a perfect mirror. Pouring molten silver into water creates casting grain used by jewelers.
This silver shot is the raw material for jewelry and industry.
Input for Cockment. For investment markets, the silver is cast into massive 1,000-ounce bars.
Over 30 kilograms of molten silver fills each mold. A flame tunnel ensures the bar cools slowly, preventing surface cracks.
As it freezes, silver absorbs oxygen, creating a unique surface texture.
Rapid cooling locks in the structure of the metal.
The heavy bars are tipped out, ready for finishing.
Each bar must weigh exactly 1,000 troy ounces.
Heavy presses stamp the purity and weight into the face of the bar. A unique serial number makes the bar traceable globally.
Hand finishing ensures the bar looks as good as it is valuable.
These large bars are the standard for industrial delivery and central banks.
Smaller 1 kilo bars are produced for private investors.
Saws cut the continuous strip into precise kilo lengths. Some silver is rolled into sheets to be punched into coin blanks.
Blanks are softened in an oven to prepare them for the striking press.
Minting presses strike the design with tons of force.
Automated cameras ensure every coin is flawless.
Coins are packed into tubes for protection and storage. Bulk coins are shipped in heavy-duty boxes called monster boxes.
The finished silver moves to the vault, waiting for dispatch. Regular audits ensure every ounce of inventory is accounted for.
Much of this silver will end up in solar panels or electronics. Silver's antibacterial properties make it essential for modern medicine.
For investors, holding the physical metal offers a sense of security.
Eventually, the silver is recycled and returns to the refinery. Modern scrubbers clean the air, protecting the environment from acid fumes.
Water is neutralized and recycled within the plant.
The chemistry of silver separation is a precise science.
Silver has preserved wealth for thousands of years.
It is hot and dangerous work, requiring skilled hands. The cooling lines on a poured bar are like a fingerprint of the process.
From scrap to crystal to investment-grade bullion. This is the journey of industrial silver refining. Thanks for watching the Prosi.